Okay, next topic for Year 10 higher is simultaneous equations. First question, 3x plus y equals 20. X and y are integers. Basically, they are whole numbers. Write down one possible pair of values for x and y. The nice thing about this one is if I work out 3x, I know that y is just going to be any value, so it's going to be an easy one to add. So I'm going to say that x equals 6, and that tells me that 3 lots of 6 equals 18. If I write that down, I've got 18 plus y equals 20. I could solve this by taking the 18 away from both sides. Y equals 2, but not being funny, I can look at this and say 18 plus 2 equals 20. So y was 2, x was 6 is one solution. Second question, p equals 2r squared. If I set this out, as I always do, any substitution I always put in brackets. So what I've got here is this. You may say it's a bit ridiculous doing that with the 18, and you're probably right. So 18 is 18. Then what I've got to do, when I've got the 2 negative 3 squared, I've got to remember BIDMAS. I have got the brackets of the negative 3, but the next thing is the I, which is the indices. And the indices is the squared. So I've got to do minus 3 times minus 3, which is a negative and a negative, make a positive. So negative 3 squared is 9. So what I've actually got is 2 lots of 9. And of course, 18 equals 18, correct. Next one, I've got 2 lots of p. Well, p is 18 plus negative 3. And we want that to equal 33. Well, 2 lots of 18 is 36. A positive and a negative is negative. So I've got negative 3 equals 33, and that is true, correct. So here I've got 2y minus 5z equals 24, and I've been asked to write down the value. That will be a number if it's value of 6y minus 15z. What I can see, the direct link from 2y to 6 is times by 3. Negative 5 to negative 15 is times by 3. So the answer is times by 3. And 3 24s are 72.